Welcome back to Investing Talk Podcast. Today, we're going to be looking at a company that's been making some serious waves in the medical imaging world. Nano-X Imaging.
Oh, yeah. Ticker symbol NNOX.
That's right.
They're really tapping into some massive trends right now. Growing need for affordable healthcare and just all the advancements in AI. It's incredible.
Absolutely. And you can see that playing out in their stock performance, right? Like we've seen some impressive jumps lately, even when the market's been a little shaky.
Yeah.
But there's also this underlying question, like, can they actually deliver on all this potential?
Yeah.
So let's break it down for our listeners.
Yeah.
What exactly is Nano-X doing?
Yeah.
What's driving all this excitement? And what challenges are they facing?
Okay, well, let's start with the basics. Nano-X is all about developing and making medical imaging systems, and specifically their flagship product, the Nano-X.ARC.
And this isn't your typical X-ray machine, right?
No, not at all. The Nano-X.ARC is designed to be much more affordable and accessible than traditional CT scanners. It uses a totally new kind of digital X-ray source technology, which they say makes it more portable and energy efficient.
Okay, so we've got this potentially groundbreaking technology. Now, how's that playing out in the stock market? As of January 3rd, 2025, NNOX was trading around $9.07. But what really stands out is the volatility.
Yeah, we've seen some big daily price swings, almost 7%.
Wow.
Which tells us there's a lot of activity around the stock. Investors are really trying to figure out its true value.
Yeah, and added to that buzz is the trading volume. Almost 6 million shares traded on January 3rd, which is way above their average. Clearly, something's got investors talking. So what's fueling this surge? Well, the big news is the FDA approval they got for full-body scans using their Nano-X.ARC system.
This is huge. The FDA 510K clearance, it's like a golden ticket. It means Nano-X can now market their system for a much wider range of uses, including things like screening for lung cancer and even getting detailed images of the heart. This opens up their potential market significantly.
And remember, one of Nano-X's big selling points is affordability and accessibility. So getting this FDA approval opens up a ton of potential revenue streams, especially in places where access to advanced imaging is limited.
Exactly. Think about it. The company estimates that this approval alone could boost the usage rate of each Nano-X.ARC system from an average of 7 scans per day to maybe even 20.
Wow.
That's a massive increase in potential revenue.
No wonder the stock jumped over 15% on December 11, 2024 when the news hit. Investors seeing dollar signs.
Of course.
And it's not just the FDA approval that has them excited. Nano-X's Q3 2024 earnings report also had some really promising numbers.
They did. Their revenue went up to $3 million from $2.5 million in the same quarter last year. Now, while that might not seem like a huge amount in the grand scheme of things, it does show that they're moving in the right direction. They're starting to actually generate revenue from their technology.
Yeah, and what I found interesting was that they're expanding their sales and support teams, which tells me they're serious about getting their product out there and growing their market share.
That's a crucial point. Building a solid sales and support network is essential for any company that wants to scale up and really make the most of an opportunity like this FDA approval.
Right.
Plus, the management team sounded pretty optimistic about the future, which always helps.
So things seem to be going well for Nano-X. But before we get too carried away, let's take a closer look at their overall position in the market and their financial health. Currently, they have a market cap of about $431 million.
And importantly, they have more cash than debt. That's always a good sign, especially for a company that's still in its growth phase. It gives them some breathing room to keep developing their technology and expanding their reach.
Right. It's like having a safety net while they're still building their business.
Yeah.
But then there's the price-to-book ratio, which is currently at 2.26. What does that tell us?
Well, in simple terms, it means that the market is valuing Nano-X at more than twice the value of its actual assets. This suggests that investors are betting on future growth and potential earnings rather than just what the company has right now. It's a classic growth versus value situation.
It's all about finding those companies that are poised for explosive growth. Now, analysts seem cautiously optimistic about Nano-X. They've set price targets ranging from $11 to $14 per share. They see potential, but maybe not without some bumps in the road. Speaking of bumps, let's talk about the challenges and opportunities facing Nano-X.
One of their biggest challenges right now is profitability. Even with the recent revenue increase, they're still operating at a loss. In Q2 2024, they reported a GAAP net loss of $13.6 million. So that's something to keep in mind.
$13.6 million, that's a significant number. Where are these losses coming from?
A big chunk of it comes from operational costs. Developing, manufacturing, and actually getting this cutting-edge medical technology out into the world is expensive, And of course, they need to keep investing in research and development to stay ahead of the curve.
Okay, so profitability is a hurdle they need to clear. But let's look at the flip side, the opportunities. What are some of the things working in their favor? Their AI integration seems like a real game changer in the medical imaging space.
Absolutely. The FDA clearance for full-body scans specifically highlights their AI-powered image analysis capabilities. It's not just about the hardware anymore, it's about using AI to improve the accuracy and efficiency of diagnoses. That's where they have the potential to really leapfrog the competition.
And that ties into another major trend, the increase in use of AI in healthcare. Nano-X seems perfectly positioned to capitalize on this.
They are. And if we look at the broader market outlook, there's a general expectation that small-cap and mid-cap stocks will do well in 2025. Nano-X, with its current market cap, could definitely benefit from that trend.
It's all about finding those companies that are ready to take off. Now let's get a little more technical for a moment and look at some of the key indicators for NNOX, starting with the moving averages. And I mean all of them, from the 10-day to the 200-day, they're all giving us a buy signal.
That's a strong indication of a bullish trend. Both short-term and long-term indicators are pointing upward.
And then we have the MCD, which stands for moving average divergence. This indicator is coming in at a positive 0.2637.
Another bullish sign, the MACD helps us see changes in the strength direction and momentum of a trend. A positive value like this usually means there's upward momentum building.
But it's not all sunshine and rainbows, right? The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is sitting at 59.25.
Right, an RSI over 70 usually means a stock is overbought, while under 30 means it's oversold. At 59.25, the RSI is suggesting a neutral sentiment in the market. It's not giving us a clear buy or sell signal.
So a bit of a mixed bag there. Then we have the stochastic oscillator at 76.86.
Now, this one's interesting because it's getting close to overbought territory, which could mean the upward momentum is about to peak. But we're not quite there yet, so there might still be some room for further gains.
Okay, so there's potential for more upward movement, but also a hint of caution. And finally, we can't forget about volume. We already mentioned that NNOX had much higher than average trading volume on January 3rd.
And the fact that this increased volume is happening alongside rise in prices is another positive sign. It suggests strong buying interest is driving this upward trend.
So taking all of this technical analysis into account, what's the overall takeaway?
We're seeing a mix of bullish and neutral signals. The move-in averages and MACD are definitely pointing towards a potential continuation of this upward trend. However, the RSI and stochastic oscillator are hinting that the buy-in pressure might start to ease up. It's a situation that requires careful monitoring. But one thing is clear. Nano-X Imaging is a company worth keeping an eye on.
I absolutely agree. We'll be right back to continue our discussion on Nano-X and what the future might hold for this innovative company. Don't go away.
Welcome back to Investing Talk Podcast.
So we've been taking a deep dive into Nano-X Imaging, this company that's really shaken things up in the world of medical imaging with their AI-powered NNOX ARC system.
And you know, it's fascinating to see them at this crucial stage in their journey.
Right, they're on the verge of potentially disrupting a massive industry, but they're still dealing with the typical growing pains of a young, innovative company.
Exactly, and that's what makes this so exciting for investors, that tension between the huge potential rewards and the very real risks.
So let's zoom out for a moment. We've talked about the technology, their financials, and the market trends. But what about the bigger picture? Where does Nano-X fit into the overall healthcare landscape?
Well, that's a great question. One way to look at it is that Nano-X is trying to make advanced medical imaging accessible to everyone. Traditional CT scanners are expensive, bulky, and often require specialized facilities, which limits their availability, especially in areas with limited resources.
And that's where the Nano-X.ARC comes in with its smaller size, lower cost, and potential for portability.
Exactly. They're aiming to bring high-quality imaging to places where it's currently lacking, whether that's rural communities, developing countries, or even mobile clinics.
So it's not just about competing with the big players in developed countries, but also about expanding the market itself, bringing these services to places that have never had them.
Precisely, and that's a compelling story for investors who are looking for companies that are addressing unmet needs and creating new markets.
It also aligns perfectly with the growing focus on preventative healthcare. If you can make screenings more accessible and affordable, you have the potential to catch diseases earlier, leading to better outcomes and lower healthcare costs overall.
Absolutely. Early detection is key for so many conditions, and Nano-X's technology could be a major factor in that shift.
Now, of course, they're not the only ones innovating in medical imaging. What does the competitive landscape look like?
It's a mix of well-established giants and agile startups. You've got the big players like GE Healthcare, Siemens, Healthineers, and Philips who have been dominating the market for decades.
Those are some serious heavy hitters. How does a company like Nano-X even begin to compete with those behemoths?
Well, it comes down to a few key things: cost accessibility and AI integration. As we've talked about, the Nano-X ARC is designed to be significantly more affordable than traditional CT scanners. That's a huge selling point, especially for smaller healthcare providers or those in cost-sensitive markets.
And that affordability ties directly into accessibility. The Nano-X.ARC's portability makes it ideal for reaching underserved populations or setting up mobile clinics. It's not like you can just throw a traditional CT scanner in the back of a van and drive it out to a remote village.
Exactly. And then there's the AI aspect. Nano-X is really betting big on using artificial intelligence to enhance image analysis, improve diagnostic accuracy, and streamline workflows. This is where they have a real chance to leapfrog the competition, even those big established companies.
So it's a combination of disrupting the existing market with a more cost-effective and accessible solution, while also pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI-driven imaging.
That's a great way to put it. And that combination is what's generating so much buzz among investors. They see the potential for Nano-X to become a major player in a market that's only going to keep growing.
But as we've also discussed, there are challenges. Profitability is a big one. They need to prove that they can scale up their operations and start generating consistent revenue.
And that's where execution becomes critical. They need to keep hitting their product development milestones, build out their sales and distribution channels, and navigate the complex world of healthcare regulations.
It's a lot to juggle.
Yeah.
And of course, there's always the risk that the technology doesn't live up to all the hype or that competitors catch up and eat away at their advantage.
Those are valid concerns. Investing in any early-stage technology company comes with inherent risks, but the potential payoff can be huge if they succeed.
So it's a high-risk, high-reward scenario, which is often the case with companies that are trying to shake up entire industries.
That's right. And that's why it's so important for investors to do their homework, understand the risks involved, and make informed decisions based on their own investment goals and how much risk they're comfortable with.
Solid advice. So as we wrap up this part of our discussion on Nano-X, what are some of the key things investors should be watching for in the coming months and years?
Well, there are a few key metrics to keep an eye on. First and foremost, revenue growth. Can they translate this recent FDA approval into actual sales and show that their business model can scale?
Revenue is the lifeblood of any business, absolutely. And closely related to that is profitability. When will they be able to turn a profit?
Also, keep an eye out for updates on their product pipeline. Are they continuing to innovate and develop new applications for their technology?
And how are they expanding their reach? Are they securing new partnerships and distribution agreements? Are they making inroads into new markets?
And finally, keep track of the competitive landscape. Are those big players reacting to Nano-X's challenge? Are new startups popping up with competing technologies?
It's a dynamic and constantly evolving industry, so staying informed is crucial for investors.
Absolutely. And that's where resources like Investing Talk Podcast come in handy. We're here to help you make sense of the complex world of investing and make smarter decisions.
We'll be right back with our final thoughts on Nano-X imaging. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Investing Talk Podcast. We're wrapping up our look at Nano-X imaging.
Yeah, it's been a fascinating journey into this company.
Yeah.
They're really pushing the limits of what's possible in medical imaging technology.
We've covered a lot of ground today. Their innovative Nano-X.ARC system, the recent FDA approval that's got everyone talking their financial performance and how they stack up against the competition.
And I think it's safe to say that, Nano-X is at a pivotal moment. They have a technology that could truly be a game changer. They've got a massive market opportunity in front of them and a lot of investor interest, but they also have some big challenges to overcome, especially when it comes to becoming profitable and scaling up their operations.
Yeah, I want to go back to something you mentioned earlier, this idea of democratizing healthcare, making advanced medical imaging accessible to everyone, regardless of where they live or their financial situation. That's a powerful concept.
It is, and it's something that resonates with a lot of investors who are looking to, put their money behind companies that are making a positive impact on the world.
If Nano-X can achieve even a fraction of what they're setting out to do, the impact on global healthcare could be huge.
Yeah, imagine a world where getting screened for diseases like cancer or heart disease is as easy as going to the dentist. It's a future worth striving for, and Nano-X is actively working to make that a reality.
Of course, it's important to remember that investing in any company, especially one in a field as complex and rapidly changing as healthcare, always comes with risks.
Absolutely no investment is a sure thing, and Nano-X is no exception.
But for investors who are comfortable with those risks, who believe in the power of disruptive technologies, and who are excited by the idea of supporting companies that are trying to make a real difference, Nano-X Imaging is definitely a company to consider.
Yeah, I completely agree. They're a company pushing the boundaries of what's possible in medical imaging. They're definitely one to watch.
So as we wrap up this episode of Investing Talk podcast, we'll leave you with a question to think about. What are the crucial factors that will determine whether Nano-X can achieve long-term success? Is it their ability to scale up production? Is it their ability to forge strategic partnerships? Or is it something else entirely? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Investing Talk podcast for more insightful discussions on the companies and trends shaping the future of investing. Thanks for listening.